When it comes to the sheer excitement at Auto Expo 2018, very little beats this, the Suzuki GSX-S750 that was unveiled here at the show. Now when it comes to street fighters, we already get the Suzuki GSX-S1000 here in India. So think of this bike as that bike's baby brother. It even looks like a marginally scaled down version of the GSX-S1000 with its muscular proportions and razor sharp lines. It packs a 750cc inline 4 motor that makes 114 PS of power and about 81 Nm of torque. And while that might not be class leading by any means, those certainly are respectable figures. That said, this motor, which was derived from the 2005 GSX-R750, is actually acclaimed for its high levels of refinement and tractability. The front end gets 41mm inverted forks from KYB, while the rear has a preload adjustable monoshock. And braking is handled by twin Nissin 310mm front discs with 4-pot calipers, along with a single 240mm disc at the back. ABS, of course, is included as standard. The GSX-S750 isn't known to be a very high-tech machine, but it still gets 3-stage traction control and a low RPM assist, which keeps the revs in the torque band when crawling along at really slow speeds. But the most important factor here is that this bike will be assembled in India alongside the mighty Hayabusa, which will really help keep costs down. Now, internationally, this bike is priced slightly below the Kawasaki Z900, against which it competes across the globe. And that competition will continue here in India as well. And we are really hoping that Suzuki can keep pricing in that same ballpark as well.